Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy and doing great in maths. Today we will start exercise 67 before starting of chapter number 12 time. So before starting this exercise I will tell you conversion of time. लेकिन conversion of time को convert करने से पहले we have to know, हमें ये पता होना चाहिए how many minutes are there in 1 hour, how many hours are there in one day, how many days are there in 1 week. So as explained over here, 1 hour having 60 minutes and one day having 24 hours. 1 hour having 60 minutes, or we can say 60 minutes make 1 hour. One day having 24 hours, or we can say 24 hours make a day. 12 hours for AM and 12 hours for PM. Before midday we will write AM, and after midday we will start writing PM. Already I explained you. 1 week having 7 days, and these are the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 7 days are there in a week, and first day of the week is Monday, second day Tuesday, third day Wednesday, fourth day Thursday, then fifth day Friday, and sixth day Saturday, and last day of the week is Sunday. If I will ask you which is the first day of the week, you will tell me Monday. And which one will be the fourth day of the week? You will start counting from the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So fourth day of the week is Thursday. If I will ask you which is the sixth day of the week, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So Saturday is the sixth day of the week. If I will ask you which day comes before Wednesday, so you will tell me Tuesday. Which day comes before Wednesday? Wednesday से पहले क्या आता है? Tuesday. Which day comes just after Thursday? You will tell me Friday. So in this way we can give any question related to days of the week. 1 month having 4 weeks. 4 weeks make a 1 month. Make 1 month. 1 year having 12 months, or we can say 12 month makes 1 year. So as I told you, 1 month having 4 weeks and 1 year having 12 months. Everyone knows name of months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are the 12 months in a year. These are the name of the months. So some month having 30 days, some month having 28, February having 28 and 29 days, and January having 31 days, March having 31 days, April having 30 days, May having 31 days, June having 30 days, July having 31 days, August having 31 days, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December 31. So how many months having 31 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 month having 31 days. And how many month having 30 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which month having 30 days? किस किस month में 30 days होते हैं? April, June and September and November having 30 days. And which month having 31 days? March, May, July, August, October and December having 31 days. And which month having only 28 or 29 days? February having 28 and 29 days. A year having 365 days and 1 month having 30 days. I already told you. In 1 year having sometime 366 days भी होते हैं. लीप ईयर में 366 डेज होते हैं 1 ईयर में, बिकॉज इन लीप ईयर फेब्रवरी हैविंग 29 डेज, तो एक 1 डे बढ़ जाता है लीप ईयर में. सो लीप ईयर हैविंग 366 डेज. Shortest month of the year is February. February is the shortest month. As I told you, it has only 28 or 29 days. या तो 30 होते हैं या 31 days होते हैं month में, लेकिन February having only 28 or 29 days. So February is the shortest month of the year. As I told you, month started from the January. So first month of the year is January and last month of the year is December. Seventh month of the year, 7 month of the year having 31 days. I already told you, 7th month having 31 days. And which are they? March, May, July, August, October and December having 31 days. And 4 month having 30 days. Which are they? April, June, September and November having 30 days. So Friendship Day falls in month of August and Republic Day falls in the month of January. Do you know which day we celebrate? On which date we will celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. So Republic Day falls in the month of January on 26th January. So now we are repeating one more time on base. 1 hour having 60 minutes or 60 minutes make 1 hour. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 hour having 60 minutes and 1 minute having 60 second. 1 day having 24 hours or we can say 24 hours make a day. 1 week having 7 days and 1 week having 7 days and days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And 1 month having 30 days. 1 year having 365 or 366 days. A leap year having 366 days. क्योंकि February in leap year, February of leap year having 29 days. So a leap year having 366 days. A leap year, just I told you, a leap year having 366 days. 1 month having 4 weeks and 1 year having 12 months. Now tell me which month having 30 days. Just I told you 30 days किस month में होते हैं? April having 30 days and then June and then after that September and November having 30 days. Now tell me which month having 31 days. I told you there are 7 months having 31 days and these months are March, then May, then July, then August, then October and then at the end December having 31 days. And one more month, January also having 31 days. I am repeating one more time. Months having 30 days, April, June, September, November. Months having 31 days, March, May, July, August, October, December and January. So January also having 31 days. Now we are doing some more question related to days of the week. First day, what day comes next? Which day comes after given days? Wednesday, Thursday, the next day will be Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, then next day will be Thursday. Sunday, Monday, and then next day will be Tuesday. Yesterday means, as I told you, yesterday means one day before today, and tomorrow means one day after today. So yesterday means one day before today, आज से एक दिन पहले, and tomorrow means one day after today. So now we will complete these fill-ups. A week has how many days? As I told you, a week having 7 days. And these days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is the last day of the week. Days comes after Sunday. Which day comes just after Sunday? So Sunday के बाद क्या आता है? Monday. Monday comes just after Sunday. Dash day start with letter S. Sunday and Saturday starts with letter S. Saturday and Sunday. Start with letter S. Which day comes between Tuesday and Thursday? Which day comes? Yes, Wednesday. Wednesday comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. These are the questions based on days of the week. If it was Monday yesterday, what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow means one day after today. We can say one day after today, यानी tomorrow कब आता है? एक दिन बाद. One day after today, आज के एक दिन बाद. So if it was Monday, अगर कल Monday था, if it was Monday yesterday, what day will be tomorrow? तो tomorrow क्या होगा? One day after today will be tomorrow. So tomorrow will be Tuesday. One more time. If it was Monday yesterday, yesterday means one day before today, एक दिन पहले, आज के एक दिन पहले, it is called yesterday. So if it was Monday yesterday, अगर कल Monday था, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. कल Monday था तो आज क्या हुआ? Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. One more time I am repeating this question. If it was Monday yesterday, yesterday means बीता हुआ कल, जो कल जा चुका है. अगर कल Monday था तो tomorrow क्या होगा? अगर कल Monday था तो आज क्या हुआ? Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. If it was Thursday yesterday, yesterday Thursday था, what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow क्या होगा? अगर कल Thursday था, today will be Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday. If today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be, if today is Thursday, अगर आज Thursday है तो tomorrow will be Friday. I am repeating all questions one more time. These questions I am repeating one more time. A week having 7 days, and these days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week. Last day of the week is Sunday, as I told you. Monday comes just after Sunday. Which day comes after Sunday? Monday. Saturday and Sunday start with letter S. Both days starts with letter S. Which day comes between Tuesday and Thursday? Tuesday and Thursday के बीच में which day comes? Wednesday. Wednesday comes just between Tuesday and Thursday. If it was Monday yesterday, yesterday means day before today, आज से एक दिन पहले. If it was Monday yesterday, अगर कल Monday था, what day will be tomorrow? तो कल क्या होगा? If yesterday was Monday, so today will be Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. If it was Thursday yesterday. What day will be tomorrow? If it was Thursday yesterday, अगर कल Thursday था तो what day will be tomorrow? If yesterday was Thursday, today will be Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday. अगर कल थर्सडे था तो आज क्या हुआ? फ्राइडे. एंड टुमारो क्या है? वन डे आफ्टर टुडे. सो टुमारो विल बी थर्सडे, टुमारो विल बी सैटरडे. इफ़ टुडे इज़ थर्सडे देन टुमारो विल बी फ्राइडे. अगर आज थर्सडे है तो कल क्या होगा? टुमारो विल बी फ्राइडे. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन do these questions based on days of the week. I am repeating one more time. As I told you, conversion of time. Conversion means converting time in hours into minutes, minutes into second, days into weeks, and weeks into days, and year into months. कन्वर्जन मीन्स एक यूनिट से दूसरे यूनिट में चेंज करना. लेकिन उससे पहले हमको ये जानना ज़रूरी है. 1 hour having 60 minutes. It means 60 minutes make 1 hour. 1 day having 24 hours. 24 hours make a day. 12 hours. For the 12 hour, first 12 hours we will write AM, and next 12 hours we have to write time in PM. And as I told you, 1 week having 7 days, and these days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week, and last day of the week is Sunday. And days week start from Monday and end कहाँ होता है वीक का? संडे पर. And as I told you, 1 month having 4 weeks, and 4 weeks make 1 month, and one year having 12 months, and these months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the months. And some month having 30 days, some month having 31 days. Already I explained you. Month having 30 days are April, June, September and November. Month having 31 days, January, March, May, July, August, October and December having 31 days. But February having only 28 or 29 days. Whenever leap year, February leap year, or February of leap year having 29 days. तो इसीलिए फेबररी में जब 29 डेज होते हैं तो लीप ईयर में कितने डेज होते हैं? 366 डेज. सो नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, फेबररी हैविंग 29 डेज ऑफ लीप ईयर. सो नाउ शॉर्टेस्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर इज़ फेबररी, एंड फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर इज़ जनवरी. First month of the year is January, and last month of the year is December. And already I explained you months having 31 days and months having 30 days. Now I am repeating one more time. Month having 31 days: January, March, May, July, August, October and December. And month having 30 days: April, June, September and November. And February having 28 or 29 days. Leap year having 366 days. In February having 29 days of a leap year. Leap year में जो February होता है उसमें 29 days होते हैं. So in this way we can do these questions based on name of month and according to the month and according to the days of the week. Now I am repeating one more time. Birthday comes next. Here some days are there. Days of weeks are written, and we have to write which day comes just after the given days. Wednesday, Thursday and then Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday and then Thursday. Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. And I am repeating these questions one more time. Which day comes between Tuesday and Thursday? Wednesday. If it was Monday yesterday, अगर कल yesterday means बीता हुआ कल जो जा चुका है. If it was Monday yesterday, then what day will be tomorrow? अगर कल Monday था तो today will be Tuesday. and tomorrow will be Wednesday. It was Thursday yesterday. अगर कल Thursday था, what day will be tomorrow? अगर कल Thursday था, today will be Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday. If today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be, अगर आज Thursday है तो tomorrow will be Friday. So in this way we can do questions based on days of the week.